The provincial administration remains the focus of the implications of devolution, with cabinet members giving different opinions.
I think the office of the president is in a hurry to restructure it. We must get the laws that will assist in the governance of the counties first.
What is critical before anybody comes with any ideas is to consult.
The cabinet has yet to come up with the way forward.
Kenya will remain and shall remain a unitary state. Kusema unitary state ni kusema ya kwamba hata tukiwa na serikali za mashinani, Kenya sio taifa ya majimbo.
We work with the DCs in Mukurweini. Mtu akitwambia tamuja district ya Mukurweini na aondoe DC wa Mukurweini, sisi tutabeba matawi.
It has not been abolished, but it has to be transformed to such an extent that it will be not anymore a major feature of governance.
These people must just be accountable to the counties.
And speaking when he presented certificates to a group of Kenyans who placed a copy of the new constitution at Lenana Point on Mount Kenya during the promulgation of the document, Central PC Jafta Kiplimo Rugut said he was not worried about the fate of the provincial administration, as the officers in the department are civil servants who can serve in any capacity in the government.
No, this is not now about us. This is not about the PC and the DC and whether I'll be there tomorrow. The issue is, this is about this country.
In rural areas, chiefs are the most conspicuous. To many, a chief is the face of government. Chiefs and sub-chiefs, with the help of village elders, know almost every family, and they produce monthly reports on issues like number of deaths and their causes, reports that are crucial to government policy formulation.
Chief ametusumbua zaidi. Hata kuendelea tunaona hata vari waende nyumbani.
Chifu anaweza tolewa kwa sauri hata yeye alipiga, yes.
Tutakuwa na ugaidi mingi sana na watu watavamia watu. Sasa angawa kae kwa sababu kazi imekuwa ngumu, nao wajaribu kupata tena riziki yao kila siku hapo na watu waishi kwa amani.
Wanasaidia kutatua mashinda inatokea ya neighbor, shamba, kwa mpaka.
Alex Chamwada, Citizen Live at 9, Nairobi.